people have found out, certainly in Jamaica and the Caribbean, how potent this thing here for libido as an aphrodisiac. So people are running it down, they can't get enough of it. Jamal family, how you do? Alright, so I just finished the video with the Rastaman and the Noni. But I understand from him that he actually has a plant here that we have been searching for a while. It's the RawMoon. He has it in the bushes there. Scientifically, it is known for its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties, but in Jamaica, it's used as an aphrodisiac. The men love it. In fact, they can't get it. The tree is sacred now here, right? But he has one there. We're gonna head up there. We're gonna show you what it looks like. We're gonna talk about some of the health benefits and get a perspective from the Rastaman, how we use it in roots and all the good stuff, right? If you're here for the first time though, I'm gonna invite you to join me on this journey. I'm on a journey to share all of this good stuff, the real Jamaica I call it. You know, I mean, medicinal herbs, unusual fruits, all of that good stuff, and I don't want you to miss any of that. So join me, hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification, and that way you'll stay updated on all my latest videos. Let's go to RawMoon in the bushes. Here's the man again, guys. The man, Tonic, man. Yes, man. And guys, all right. So it's still drizzling a little bit here, and it's getting a little late. But we didn't want to miss the opportunity to find and share the RawMoon with you guys. So the man is taking me through the bushes, through the hills.
What take your time? You know?
Yes, man. Have it. Yeah, going through. Alright, of course, place rich vegetation. You have here banana.
Tree them blow down.
Yeah, man. If you have you have a banana there.
They're ripe, you know.
It's ripe, man.
They're ripe.
Something eat off something.
Yeah, me come back and cut it off.
Wow, something eat in the fire.
This black bud them.
Blackbird them, alright, so
when you cut it, that you can get some caribou.
you sure are you okay? Alright, so we see there. Me love the place I got. You can't tell, right, guys? See there, all natural. We're gonna look for RawMoon, and the man end up running to a ready bunch of banana. Honey banana fire?
Yeah.
The best one. The best. Fresh and ready. Nice and thin. Look good, man. You look at see us until we come back.
Yeah, man. When you come back, me take up the care of.
Alright, nice.
A good thing say you come to it, cause me would.
You probably don't realize, that's true.
Till tomorrow.
Man.
Me come the go.
You ready? More than ready, man. Alright, guys. We're going up. We're gonna brave the weather.
Come.
But
take
again,
your time.
Yes, man. I didn't want to miss the opportunity here. We're gonna find the RawMoon tree and show you.
Seriously.
See the mountain sap tree again?
Yeah.
One of them?
No, that's ours.
Oh, so what's up?
See mountain sap them over there.
Oh, yes, yeah, the tree. I remember the fall down tree. Yeah. And this is what? This is what?
Which one? This is bitter and sweet.
Bitter and sweet.
Yeah.
And
it's almost
the family.
But it's a family of the bitter and sweet.
Oh, okay.
This one is the bitter and sweet.
Okay.
Already.
All right.
Nice sweet, you know.
No worries.
Come.
Okay.
Take your time now. You water boot and grip?
Yes, man, it's good.
Alright, take
and
your
this
time.
tree also, I know we don't want to take too long, but the tree also what that?
Which one?
That one there.
This a tall one, yeah?
That one there.
You know, egg fruit.
Oh, it's the egg fruit, okay.
Egg fruit,
Okay. Cocoa, guys. I'll give you the tour too, you know. We are going to look for RawMoon. If we see anything of interest, I'm going to share with you as well. So what's up here? Alright, it's getting a little late, but
I the mountain sap.
A mountain sap, yeah. Getting a little late, but
see one next one here too.
Can't miss the
mountain sap.
Mountain sap tree.
Yeah.
Nice.
One shorter place little, but it bush up too much. You go through too much bush.
Okay, well, this is like Neem. I Neem this?
Yeah.
Neem. Nice. Neem, guys. Guinea, guys. See? Oh, see the one bush of me I look at, man?
Which one?
Dark blood, man.
You know it?
Yeah, Yes, man, a boss, you know. Yes, man.
Like a woman I use it
Yes.
right now for
Menstrual
control
issue,
baby.
fertility. Yes, man. And the boss is, man. See the guys.
A whole heap
Yeah.
there, you know.
No, I'm going to want some enough for you. Yes, man, we need some.
Anytime you're
But
ready,
guys,
me carry for you, man.
yes, man. The fertility bush. We have a video on that, guys. We have a video on that. I did it with in St. Mary with Marlene. Yes, man. There's a link in the description to that one.
Yeah.
Make sure you check it out. Oh, this is Thai goat on, man.
Yeah, I inject both me broke up your foot, pan. Drop your back foot.
Alright, going up the hill. Going up the hill. Going up the hill. There's some goat up there.
Yeah, man, that's my place, that's you know.
Eh?
And my place, this, you know.
Yes, man, nice place, man. Nice place, guys. Look.
Yes, the goat
Nice
there.
place. Lot of real estate. This is the life. This is the life. Like this stuff. Like, we love this stuff. We're almost there. Alright.
Take your time.
Yes, man. Breadfruit drop off a tree, man.
What do you mean?
Whoa. Watch your whole heap, you know.
Sometimes I saw them drop, man. Because they not ready yet, you know, but we rain.
Yeah. Oh, some more, yes, too.
I see them, me chop out yesterday, you know.
Okay.
To make you can find out.
Cool. Oh, I will power you do.
Because
give thanks to that. Give thanks to that. Man, getting a little late, I told the guy, but guess what?
You're light. Oh, fuck, you're light on that.
Yeah. Yes, man. But I miss the opportunity to get
Take your time.
the RawMoon, yeah, man. This is deep rural, guys.
Yeah.
This is it. Which one? This tall one here?
Yes, that one. Yeah.
This one? Alright.
Go over there, got you park.
Alright, guys. So, this is the RawMoon. We found it. We found the RawMoon in a gully here. And I want deep gully here. Careful, fire. Careful. Alright, we found it. This is the tree. The RawMoon. Oh, this is the leaf here. Oh, this is the leaf here too. Yeah, man. Oh, so we can cut. Yes.
Alright, you see this now? If you go chip this, you can chip it all round it.
No, I understand. Because you don't want it to kill it.
Because if you chip it all around,
yes.
you don't get none more half it.
Yes, go dead.
So, right, because you need this reskin back itself.
Yes, okay. And it's mainly the bark we use.
Yes, the bark.
The bark.
Yeah, so me go get up some after so.
Yes.
And show you.
Nice. The RawMoon, guys. So, you know, actually, I want to share something. I did a little bit of research, fire, in preparation for the video here. That's it. Look, ooh, pretty. Nice. Hold it, fire. Hold it beside me. Take a picture, right? So, actually, guys, I did some research. I was doing some research while the fireman is coming up. I did some research on this here, the RawMoon, and I found I've actually run into an article. On the Observer, where they spoke about this RawMoon here. I'm gonna read it. I'm gonna share it with you.
Alright, yeah. You go right over that something that you go get on a stick.
Alright, no problem. Yeah, man, no problem. Here's what I want to share with you guys. This is what I found. It was actually published in the Observer online. It says the RawMoon, or Trophis racemosa, which is the scientific name, is an evergreen tree whose bark and leaves have been used as a potent stimuli for decades. The tree is becoming extinct, and I mentioned that to you earlier, due to the high demand for its bark and leaves. It may be found growing wild in some forested areas of Jamaica, where we are now. It was discovered by early settlers, they say, and used as a feed for their animals. Later, it was used to revive a failing libido. In the old days, RawMoon proved an effective fodder for cattle and horses, especially when there was little or no rainfall. During those periods, farmers noticed that their animals continued to get fat and reproduce rapidly. They could not, however, explain the phenomena. A botanist subsequently studied the behavior of these animals and discovered that they would break down fences to find the RawMoon tree. Following the discovery, farmers began to reap the branches of the plant to take to the animals. Nowadays, RawMoon is popularly used as a key ingredient in the preparation of roots beverage. We told you, especially by rural people. It's often prepared as a tea and is used by both sexes for its aphrodisiac qualities. It's similar in nature to the African yohimbe bark, but safer. It is said that it has no harmful effect on the kidneys. It is the bark of the plant that is mostly utilized in these preparations. It was found chiefly in Hanover, St. Thomas, St. James, Westmoreland, and St. Mary. Many Rastafarians use it. People interested in getting the plant will find it mostly in food markets across the island. So, back over to the fireman while he's actually trying to cut some of the limb. But the leaf here now, yeah. So I told you it's actually getting a little bit late here, but it's also quite dark in this place here because we're actually in a deep rural area and it's like a valley.
Yeah.
So it's a little bit dark here as well naturally. So that is why you can see you can hardly see it like that. And we're having some red ants, we have to battle the red ants as well. But Fire trying to get some leaf. You didn't get any Fire?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, if you get that, we're good with that, man. Okay, oh, we're good with that, man. All right, good. So tell me, Fire, now. Traditionally, from your perspective, my brother.
Yeah.
Tell me what you know of RawMoon.
RawMoon. Wow. RawMoon is a good thing for sex life, man. You see it? You take it and you cook it.
When you say you cook
chainy root, strong back, and you can also boil it as tea alone. You see it and drink it. And then now it helps build you. Keep you going, man.
When did you first learn about RawMoon, Fire?
From me a baby, man. From me a picnic, big boy, my grandfather, when they bright up the south, do clock. That the man that boil RawMoon, drink.
Oh.
You see it? And you can tap him out blouse and skirt when him a moving on ya.
A lot of them in drink, a lot of this.
Yes, man. Even they said something let me show you down here there. Something there when me tell you say me won't give you there.
Noni?
No, man. The one who make got Niger.
Oh, busy.
Busy.
Yeah.
Busy. All that. He use that with coconut milk. I want you think me know about them there something there.
Oh, I learned about.
Oh, you mean, man? Me go bounce them man there from me a picnic boy, man. You see?
Yeah.
And me learn a lot of things from them man there. You see?
Yeah.
So I so come to make me know things.
Nice.
And post me grow.
Yes.
And come and develop.
Yes.
Myself.
By your own knowledge.
Right.
Actually, that's a good point. That's a good point because
I don't mean I'm gonna tell you say I me want to know you.
Yeah. Because you have to learn from somebody.
Yes.
As Uncle Papi say, we stand on the shoulders of the great men before.
How are you, man?
so big up your grandfather, you say, or your father?
My grandfather. My father when living in Mobi after a while.
Okay.
And then now he dead. So all these land, them give me it.
Yeah. Nice. Why is a blessing?
Yes.
It's a blessing.
And me want have it now for myself.
Yes.
That's why you see me I take care of it and raise me. And me used to have all cow over here. You know,
Yes.
But me gonna do this cow, them are different and use goat. And the goat, them even live a lot more.
Yeah.
To raise.
But it's a blessing, you know, man. You have this kind of property here and you have all your RawMoon and all these things.
Yes.
It's a blessing. And you have everything natural. But how you say you use it? You make how you make use it, right?
Well, what me do? Me get the RawMoon, right? But me get it mostly in the when the moon full, and about in the last quarter of the moon, right? And so me get it, and then now me
last quarter of the moon.
Yes.
So you go by the moon.
Yes. After the moon full.
Yeah.
3, 4, 5 days after the moon full, me go cut me things them and me make me juice with it. You see?
How you make it? No, okay.
Me use chainy root.
So you don't use it by itself?
By itself, no. Me never use it by itself. But me use it by itself. Make tea.
Yeah. Okay.
You see? And then now me have it and work with it. Me go look me chainy root, me look blood whisk, me look sarsaparilla, and me put all them there together and make juice.
When you say juice, you make it roots?
Root.
Yes.
Root. Strong root.
Boil it.
But me make it in the full moon. Because you see the full moon now, you get more benefit. Because if you look some herbs before the moon full, you don't get the proper medicine from it.
Okay.
You don't see?
Okay.
That's why me look at them at time there. Alright, you know one thing what they call name Shama Macka?
Yes, yeah.
Yes, you see Shama Macka?
Yeah.
A lot of people go use Shama Macka, but when then they do it so, you shut up.
Yes, yes, yes.
You know you have a
yes, man. Yes, yes, yes.
Closed.
It's shame. Let me say it's
yes,
shame.
right.
A shame a lady, I don't know.
So what me do now? Me go and me tease round the root of it. The root of the Shama Macka. Tease it round. Me no dig it out yet, you know. Me just tease it until when time in close. Me wait until take when me machete from side of him and make him open back. And when he open back, me come so.
Oh!
And so you catch him medicine.
Oh, before he close?
Before he close.
Oh, what you say? Style.
A style you call it? Natural.
Oh, well, natural.
Take your time.
Natural. All right, so guys, so that's the RawMoon, and that's how you use it.
Yes.
Yeah, that's how you use it to make your root. You mentioned the tea though. How you use it for tea?
Which one?
The same RawMoon.
The RawMoon, man, you scrape off the back of this man, and you give it a little time, make it drain 1 3 days or 4 days, the bark. And even this too. You know?
Okay, cool.
Yes, you know, if you just pick some roots and boil it, drink it. So you have give him a time, make him drain.
Yes. Historically, that's how we do.
Yes.
And
that's how me do it.
That's how you do it.
Yeah. Other people do it different. Because you what they want to say, every man do his things a little different.
Yes.
Well, I mean that.
Yeah. You know, none of your customer, you know, guys, he's selling the market, you know, we spoke about that earlier. This man is probably one of the most popular rootsman in this side of the island, you know.
Yeah.
So if you need him roots, we're gonna share with you how you can get him roots. I mean, matter of fact, we're gonna ask you, share it now for you.
Yes. Well,
your
I'm
phone
right
number.
by Mega Mart.
Yeah.
At the roundabout, going into Howard Cook Primary School, right there, me on the left hand side of the road.
Yeah.
Where you have one Nesberry tree and you have one Guinea tree, and I'm right on the side with a white feeler.
Usually between 10
Some say 10 to 3 o'clock left there sometime.
Yeah.
For other places.
Yes.
To do me thing.
Sir, yeah. And your phone number again?
791 4276.
876.
791 4276.
Yes. I just want to remind the guys, for those who probably didn't see your earlier videos, that where you live in the hills here, and this is deep rural, I tell you guys. He's already rural, but then we had to take a trek up the hill, further up in the bushes in a deserted valley. That's why it's so dark here. To find this here, the RawMoon. See here? No joke, see there? The RawMoon here, and it's drizzling here, so we're actually juggling. But the phone doesn't pick up very well up on these parts, right? The reception is a little bit poor. So you have to call him most of the time when he's actually in town. Yeah, which is usually between about, I would say maybe 9 to about 3 or 4 or so. On weekdays.
You can get me in the country too, you know, but depends on where I'm at in my home. You know?
Yes.
I can talk to you inside the house.
Yes, depending on where.
Right.
Yeah. So this is it, guys. The RawMoon. We didn't want to leave. This is a tree. This is a tree. One more time. A matter of fact, let me go closer. Let me go closer just to share it with you again. This is a tall one. We had to come all the way in the bush here, in the valley. This is it, the RawMoon. And we got a chip at the bark after it, right? This is it standing in its glory in the bushes here. And that's it.
That tree is there.
Yes, there you go. Very, very tall, maybe about 60, 70 feet.
Yeah.
This one here.
Yeah.
Thank the Rasta man, big up the Rasta man for all of that. But I wanted to show you one more time. And this is a leaf. This is what the leaf. We didn't show them the leaf. This is what the leaves look like, guys. Just turn one of them from the fire. Yeah, this is it. It's drizzling, so you're seeing, you're getting. Yeah, this is the. This is the bark again. A little closer. Close up on the bark, and then this, of course, is the leaf. Rain.
Boil tea to and drink.
Yes.
Good for you.
Yes, man. I'm
gonna take a 2 day, 3 day, make it drain liquor.
Yes.
Then you use it.
So I was telling you guys that scientifically, it's known for its anti-inflammatory and its analgesic properties, meaning its pain relieving properties. But people have found out, certainly in Jamaica and the Caribbean, how potent this thing here
Yeah.
for libido as an aphrodisiac. So people are running it down, they can't get enough of it. So you have to keep it quiet up here for you. They can't tell nobody.
Listen, more there in a bush down there and I may have to go with it. But through this closer.
Yeah.
That's why I carry out.
Yes. This is it. This is it, man. This is the powerhouse. The roots, stamina roots drink, guys, where the man may use the RawMoon mixed with, what you saying there again, fire?
Cheney root, sarsaparilla, yeah, and other things too in there.
Yeah, man, secret ingredient.
Yeah.
But the RawMoon is an essential ingredient in
right,
this.
Right.
Any Jamaican who have a root stand, they can have RawMoon in the nothing, man. This is it, guys. This is it. Alright, guys, the RawMoon with Sir Clive. Heading back out before it gets a little too dark here. We're heading back out. Yeah, man. Guys, I just show you the RawMoon. I want to hear from you as a Rastaman and I tread back down. Tread back down to the house from the valley. I want to hear, are you familiar with RawMoon? Did you know of it before? Just put yes or no in the comment. Just put yes or no in the comment for me. I want to hear. I'm curious to see how much of you really know or knew about RawMoon. Put yes or no in the comment right now. This is another boss here in the fire. Look at this.
Oh, you know it too?
King of the forest, man. Standing tall and proud. The king of the forest. We're getting closer back to civilization, guys.
Oh, I do, man. For real.
Yeah, man. The king of the forest. Yes, man. All right. Yeah, man. Thank you. King of the forest. And we're enjoying the little drizzle nice, guys. Trust me. We're not worried about it.
Man.
Yes. And this is again. We said the mountain sap. Mountain sap. Show you again. For those of you who don't know mountain sap, and we actually have the video. Here is the tree. It looks very close to sour sap.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
For those of you who didn't see the video, coconut and all this stuff the man have here. For those of you who didn't see the video, there's a link in the description to that. Make sure you see the mountain sap video. More coconut jelly the man have up here. Getting late, but we enjoy every moment of it. Every moment of the trick.
The scenery.
Yeah, man, everything. Cocoa.
Take your time.
Bird pepper again, fire.
Yes.
You have it here. Them have all about the place now. Have them growing wild.
Right now, I need to beat some now in my mortar.
Yeah.
I'll make me pepper.
Yeah.
That's how I do it, you know. Pick them and dry them and beat them.
Yes.
My mortar.
Nice. Me just crush them, blend them out.
You do that?
Yeah. Me dry them and blend them. That's how me use it, you know.
Yes.
Yes, man. Me have a good amount of home now, you know.
All right.
Yes, man. And that's my season, you know. Bad like yours. I think you would tell me that.
Me no lefty.
Either you are the original Blue Mountain, the Rasta Blue Mountain.
Me no lefty, brother.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Me love it.
Nice, man.
Yeah, man. Bad. All right, guys. And see the bonus that we get, huh?
You know, bad. Good.
For us, man, this is the beauty of having a property where you can do your own farming and everything. Yeah, man. You see it, man. I get it, man.
You get it?
Yes, man. The man we went to look for RawMoon and he ran into a fat, ready bunch of honey banana. Honey banana.
Well, the ripe on tree too. Because it's a apart from it.
There go. To the man. To the Jim. A Jimbilin then call this?
Which one?
This one? Or star?
Star fruit.
And a Jimbilin?
Star fruit.
The different. Okay. Star fruit. The man have star fruit, you know, guys. See there? I joke the man have everything here.
I say you call it Jimbilin?
See there? Dandelion. Fire, say you have something here about some spinach or something like this?
The spinach?
Yeah, like this? Spinach or something?
Yes, spinach that.
Spinach? Cool. Alright guys, back to base. Back to base. By the way, guys, there's another number in addition to that number the Rastaman just shared. There's a WhatsApp number because we mentioned that it might be a challenge getting him depending on where he's at certain times. So here's a number. His executive secretary, I call her, is actually his daughter. Erica, it's 876-829-8433. 876-829-8433. The WhatsApp number to get the Rastaman thing, RawMoon, or any other herb, actually, any other roots drink or whatever you desire. The RawMoon, guys, and all its powerhouse health benefits, pun intended. There's another video you need to see, and it's the one we did, the first video we did with the Rastaman, the mountain sap. Yes, man, the mountain sap. You need to see it. There's a link in the description, and it's in the card above. See you that one.